Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily connect your Shopify store to your Instagram shop. So of course, just head over to admin.shopify.com and make sure that you're logged into your seller account. And in a new tab, just make sure that you're logged into your Instagram account. And from here, just look for this gear icon. Just click on this. Then click on Settings and Privacy. From here, just scroll down in this panel until you see Account Type and Tools and make sure that you switch to Professional Account. So since we're setting up our shop, we're going to choose Business, then click on Next. Just fill in category and we're just going to choose Product or Service, then Continue. So from here, you will be asked to fill out your contact information. So just fill this out. Then once done, just click on Save. In a new tab, let's just head over to apps.shopify.com. So we will be redirected to the Shopify App Store. So in the search bar, just search for Insta, then press Enter. So from the list of apps, we're going to choose this Insta Shop for Instagram and Facebook. Then just click on Install. Just grant access permission by clicking on Install. So you will be given pro subscription options here, but we can proceed with the free plan. So from here, just scroll down, then click on Connect Social Account. So in the Instagram account section, we're just going to add our Instagram account. And there's a notice here that says, make sure your Instagram account is a professional account. Otherwise, turn it into one first. But since we already done that, we can proceed to connect our Instagram account. So from here, you're going to need to allow access. Just click on allow. So as you can see, our Instagram shop has been added on our Shopify store. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!